This is my honest review of Pure Plus PPW 10BB 5 micron 10 by 4.5 sediment string wound water filters. We use this in our whole house water filter. And I can show you that I just removed our whole house water filter. And this is the old one. And you can see it's got some sediment in it. That's 2 months old. Got some sediment on the top. And we change ours every 2 months. Probably wouldn't have to do it that often, but I like to do it every 2 months. So then we dump that out. And I like to dump mine out on top of a paper towel in the drain. That way I don't dump all that sediment down my drain.
And wipe it out with that.
What? Yeah, I sure can. I'm just going to rinse just a little bit of fresh water in there. Then make sure you get all that sediment out of your old one, because then you're just, if you don't, you're just adding that yucky sediment to a new filter, which would be kind of counterproductive. I'm going to get a new paper towel real quick. Just wipe that out clean one more time. You really want to spend as less time inside a water treatment filter area and get as less bacteria in there as you possibly can, because every time you open up a water system, you're allowing bacteria to come in. So if you really wanted to be technical, which pause that. All right, and just for good measure, I'm going to put a little bit of water in there and just a splash of bleach, because I did have my hand in there, and I'm just going to rinse that around, because anytime you open up a water system, you just want to make sure that you're not introducing any of your own contaminants. Your hands are full of bacteria, and that stuff can really take hold in a water system. So I feel pretty safe about that. Rinsed it with some bleach water, killed that off. So now we got a nice container there for a new filter. We'll open up these filters, and there we go. We got a Pure Plus brand new water filter. We'll unwrap that. And again, you really want to try not to touch these as little as possible. So I'm going to try to hang on to the wrapper as much as I can, and just as little as I possibly can to touch that. And I'm going to drop that right down in there. Does it got a plastic thing on both sides? Yes, it does. And you just put that straight down in the middle, and that's really all there is to that. The only other thing we're going to do before we're done with the video is I like to put just a little bit of oil, and I just use, believe it or not, I just use coconut oil. People will say Vaseline, whatever. Just use some oil. I know that coconut oil is not going to eat that rubber complement up. That's it. Reinstall it, and you've got a great in-house, whole house water filter.